This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today to talk about Bitcoin, crypto, Kraken, Binance, all under fire. An ex-New York Stock Exchange president, the group president, bought CoinDesk, also owns Bullish, another crypto exchange, and the coins listed on that exchange and how regulated it is makes you raise some eyebrows. So we're going to talk about all of it today. So if you guys are ready, if you guys are feeling the gosh dang zest, make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and share the stream out with friends because it's very critical, important information that everybody must know about in their life. Also, make sure you guys check out our lovely sponsors, both Cake Wallet and Cipher. Links are in the live chat as well as the description. Make sure to check out code missteencrypto or code ZESTY for 20% off of Cipher. I want to say good morning to every single one of you beautiful people. So please make sure you guys say good morning to me. Also, we have a goal of 125 likes, 100 live viewers. So let's pamp it up. You've got to pamp it up. Oh yeah, pamp it, pamp it, pamp it. So let's say good morning to all of you people. Make sure you guys check out the poll. Also, where's Dave Digital? If Dave Digital is in here, somebody call him because I did get my little ticker up for him. And if you guys enjoy that ticker, please put a yes or a no emoji in the chat. 1 for yes, 2 for no if you don't have the emoji.
Stop! You're not gonna shush us! Why don't you shush? You shush! You shush! Don't shush! Shush!
Good morning, beautiful, romantic face. I didn't have a 100k cash trade and won't ask you out on a date with a $4.99 super chat. But I will continue to support you in every possible way. You're smart. You're funny. You're beautiful. You're spectacular. You're perfect.
What just happened? Like, I cannot even comprehend what just happened. Like, what? Wait, was that a $500 super chat? Dude, that's insane. That is insane.
Stop shushing! Stop shushing! You're not gonna.
I need to actually show you guys that full thing again. Like that GIF. Hold on, I need to show this to you guys. Hold on. Display capture. Hold on. Oh wait, hold on. I'm like freaking out right now. Hold on. How do I get it? The other one. Okay, watch this, because the full thing didn't play, and I have to let it play. Give me a second. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. I'm actually freaking out, because this is insane. Hold on. Hold on, look.
Stop shushing! Stop shushing! You're not gonna shush us! Why don't you shush? You shush! You shush! Don't shush!
Dude, that's insane. A good attempt, an adequate attempt at ending the frickin' rebellion. Wow. The special gift has been hit. That was so awesome. That was so awesome. No, you, Shoes. No, you. No, you. Literally, this audio. Wow, that was freaking awesome. That was freaking awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. Now because it was a tip and not a super chat, now I could go buy Emma food directly with this. This is good. Oh, wow. Oh, gee whiz. Okay. I like the gift more than the tip. You know, it really comes close. I'm not going to lie to you because I was really waiting for that to get hit, and it did. I am literally losing my mind. Dano, thank you for the heartbeat. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, my camera's too far away. I gotta move her up. I literally kicked the camera because I was like, I went down to the floor. Oh my gosh. That was nuts. That was nuts. That was nuts. Ray K, good morning. Let me try to say good morning to people now. I'm all thrown off. Colin McKenzie, Brian, Greg, what's up? My girl Alexandra G in the chat. Oh shoot! My other
Take Anna
special
and Randy
gift.
out to lunch. Tacos, pizza, whatever the fam wants. Love you guys.
I am losing my freaking noodle this morning. I'm like, freaking shaking. I am emotional. I'm not crying. You're not going to make me cry. You're not. Chad Gable's losses make me cry. But that gift made up for it. Ah! That was so nuts, dude. That was so nuts. And shout out to Bulldog being a member for 12 months in the chat. He said, let's stay zesty. Holy sheesh. Bulldog, you've been a member for 12 months, bro. We've been together for a year in YouTube membershipery, even though we've known each other a lot longer than that. Oh my gosh, I can't with the love. It's too much. I might be overwhelmed. Stop loss. OMG, like hello. Hi, stop loss. It's nice to see you. Good morning, Wolf over there. Oh my gosh, I am literally losing my mind. You are still heartless. That is true. Tom Allen, nice to see you. Zapirate, nice to see you. Andy S. Yes, I was on the Stairmaster at the gym. It does burn. All set, nice to see you. Crimson. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. 5 members, guys, grab those members. You got to bump it up. Yes, membershipery, Alexandra G. You understand the membershipery. Nash, good morning. Guys, please spam member emojis. Juice Toast, nice to see you. Doge Bowl, good morning. Ross, good morning. Ray K, what's up? Emmett, so greetings and salutations. Nice to see you, man. Crypto Music. Who else? Who is Gangsler? Gary Gangsler. That could be like his new that could be his new name. Tommy 2 Liters, nice to see you. Sadie sometimes, nice to see you. Eric Carlson, good morning to you. Robert Curry, good morning. Who else? CBS is blowing up as much as MTC. Yeah, CBS is blowing up, bro. Absolutely. You guys are killing the game. AC Hook, it's nice to see you. Digi, nice to see you too. Welcome to the show. Aaron, what's up? John Legend. Vet Savage, a member for 5 months. He said thanks. Shout out to Vet Savage. Cryptophasia, Romo, nice to see you guys. Welcome to the stream. All right, I think I got everybody. Sri Ram, hello. Nice to see you. All set. Nice to see you. What's up, Sri Ram? Vinny, what's up? Pirate, Outcast, nice to see you guys. Mike Volmer, of course. Aaron, Andy S again. I think, Nash, nice to see you. Double O Kevin, nice to see you. I think I got everyone. Automatic, David, nice to see you. Crypto Allah. If Yeti comes into the chat, can somebody let me know because I want to shout out that he gave me merch. Jim DB, nice to see you. Alionx said, good morning. Can On jump in to drop a... Oh, you're coming in to drop a like. Got you what you're saying. Have a great day. Have a great day to you. Dave Digital. Dave, how do you feel, Dave? Dave, how do you feel about this? All right. Don't get shook. XTZ said, I'm trying not to get shook. Guys, we have a goal of 125 likes, 100 live viewers. Please make sure you guys hit these likes. You're moving to watch me on YouTube? Get after it, stop loss. B-Team, nice to see you. Guys, we're going to jump into the news because... major stuff going on, and it needs to be covered like ASAP, or else things are gonna go wrong. Things are gonna go rogue. So, okay, let's do it. I'm excited. So, firstly, this morning, of course, I was up early. I was like, what's going on in the cryptos? I was watching the mainstream media, and I did see on CNBC that somebody named Tom Farley went on, and he was the ex-New York Stock Exchange Group president. So we know he's deep in the TradFi. He's with the TradFi bros. He's kind of like one of the higher ups in one way or another. And his opinion turned around on crypto like the TradFi bros do. And he is now the owner of Bullish Exchange. So if you guys look at Bullish Exchange, this is a regulated exchange, and they...
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
You promised me a song with Emma having to listen to the whole thing.
Oh gosh. I gotta think about this one. I gotta think about it, and it would have to be at the end of the show. So stick around. I'll think about it. Emma's gotta come out. All right. So Bullish, right? He owns Bullish Exchanges, is a regulated exchange, and they are a part of, cryptocurrency in a one way or another. They're trying to dive in. He was wanting to, I guess, the vibe I got from his interview was that he's diving into crypto, but he's kind of tedious about what coins he uses or what coins he lists on the exchange. Now, he also acquired CoinDesk from digital currency group Bullish. So this was said, especially in these articles. Oh no, what happened? Where's my screen shares? Okay, weird. It says in this article here that it was a cash deal, and the terms of the acquisition, I can't even speak because I'm so shook. The terms of the acquisition were not made public. The Wall Street Journal reported that the exchange bought the media company in an all-cash deal. So I was listening to that. I was like, okay, all-cash deal. During the interview, I heard something a little bit different, you could say. I saw and tweeted it that he said a portion of the CoinDesk purchase was paid in cryptocurrency. So saying it's an all-cash deal, is that exactly accurate if he used crypto, or is he describing crypto as cash? See, those are a play on words right there, and something that I didn't see in any of these articles. Nonetheless, Digital Currency Group does not own CoinDesk anymore. It is now under Bullish, Tom Farley, and they want to ensure independence. Here we go. They want to ensure journalistic independence. Quote, Bullish.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
I'm not gonna try and follow that act. Hugging face, Mike. Did he get us both out of trouble up or just him? Don't answer. I know the answer. Nice gif. Good workout. Anon Mike when my tip for Orton BS? What? I was hurt too by that.
Yeah, I was upset about that too. Thank you for the super chat. It says here, quote, Bullish will immediately inject capital into several of CoinDesk's most exciting growth initiatives, which will power the launch of new services, events, and products. We also want to express our unwavering support for CoinDesk's commitment to journalistic independence. And Farley, prior to heading into crypto, was again the New York Stock Exchange president. We will see what happens from here. And, I started to dive into a rabbit hole with Bullish. I really did. And I was like, who is Bullish? So it says on their X.com that they're a market leader, order depth, and consistently tight spreads, all in regulated environment, and it's not yet available in the US. If you click the link in their bio, it does come up with this warning here saying Bullish is not available to persons located in Canada, China, Japan, the United States, Israel.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
I have a meeting here in a little bit. I will miss the end of the show. How about song on Friday if you're going live on Friday? If not, tomorrow. Heart.
Are you being like bossy or something? I think that's being bossy. That's bossy. Bossy. SMH. But noted for the end of the show. Israel, the Russian Federation, or any jurisdiction subject to sanction, users from these locations are advised that their access to the site falls outside of our terms of use. So, because I just read this morning out loud, obviously I'm not going to click the button. However, I wanted to know what was listed on this exchange, especially because they want to make sure they're regulated. They want to make sure that they're down with the SEC. They do have, according to CoinMarketCap, 30 plus coins listed or tokens. And look at which ones they chose to list. Of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum. They also have Ripple XRP, which is already controversial. Avalanche, SushiSwap, Sandbox, Av. They have, or Avi, whatever you guys call it. Polygon, MATIC, Uniswap, Dogecoin, Curve, Gala, Decentraland, Litecoin, EOS, Chiliz, Tron, Chainlink, USDC, and a bunch of other pairs with USD, USDC. So some of these are, again, repeated on this list. However, if you're looking at these coins, then maybe you could say, okay, these tokens might be safe because they have maybe some regulatory clarity behind them. When actually that was the opposite, because some of these same coins were listed in the SEC Kraken exchange yesterday, where they had, of course, a lawsuit, the SEC, against Kraken, which, again, is very, very disappointing. And I wish, obviously, that did not happen. But we'll dive into the Kraken thing in a second. So if you're looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, even things like Gala, Dogecoin, now you know that institutions are also invested or interested in those coins, and they might have that clarity, even though some of them are centralized and they're not decentralized like Bitcoin, which of course is the most decentralized cryptocurrency out there, probably besides Litecoin and then Doge under that. I did do some more digging on Bullish Tom Farley. I did find his little X account. Very small little X account, not doing much. But he did do a little thread the other day saying the pace of innovation in digital assets is insane. The downside is that investing in digital assets is very risky. If anyone tells you about a risk-free or low-risk digital assets investment, run. So again, we're trying to decipher what this guy feels. He said this includes Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a store of value, but the price fluctuations are a bit much higher than other stores of value. Yes, the upside of holding Bitcoin is high, but so too is the downside. The to the moon verbiage is dangerous. The more someone mentions Web3 or Metaverse without actually explaining why their token or NFT or project has actual utility for actual people in a way that you can understand, the faster you should run. He is saying crypto's risky, yet he likes Gala, yet he likes Mana from Decentraland. So a lot of these things that he's saying maybe don't add up in the best way, but at the same time, I do understand that Bitcoin is a little bit volatile, but it is the best performing asset for the past 14 years. And when in doubt, zoom out. It's really not as volatile if you look at bank stocks and a lot of the other, I guess, commodities or assets that they have told you to buy in the past are no longer store of value. Like Bitcoin is a major store of value, the dollar isn't. And a lot of people tell you to keep your savings in the dollar, and that hasn't worked out to the best degree. So maybe I disagree with Tom Farley a little bit here, but at the end of the day, I do understand the part where he's saying if you're mentioning Web3, if you're mentioning Metaverse, you need to have a utility. You need to have some sort of purpose in order to be moving that far as to get listed and actually help people out in the real world. So that is kind of understandable. But I would like to see where this all heads and if Bullish will get approved in the United States. And if it does, how big of a share will it have in the market? And will it take away from Coinbase is my little thought there. But yeah, I know that was long-winded, but I wanted to dive into, again, who owns the media in crypto. So Bullish, not DCG, owns CoinDesk. And this guy is from the stock exchange, and if he's making moves and if he has these tokens listed on his exchange, then that means that there is some thumbs up or green lights with those tokens in terms of regulation. At least so we thought. So, let's take a look at other stuff that's going on here. We'll do Binance first. So Binance, Kraken, absolutely under fire. Binance was called out by the United States government asking to pay them $4 billion. Yes, a billion with a B. This is to end the U.S. criminal case, and CZ could possibly still face charges. We see Binance Holding Limited would be asked to pay $4 billion to settle the U.S. DOJ accusations of multiple criminal violations, according to a report from Bloomberg News on negotiations between the DOJ and the company, which also leaves open the possibility that CZ could face some charges in the future. Binance has been under a lengthy investigation by the U.S. authorities for money laundering, bank fraud, and violating U.S. law sanctions, and the talks could reportedly conclude in the coming weeks. We see here that they faced accusations for a long time now and could be fined for more than $4 billion, and it would represent one of the largest settlements in crypto history. I always say it all the time, Binance does not need the United States. They don't need Binance US. Most of their business is outside of the United States. When asked in the past on an interview if CZ had to pay at least $2 billion to settle his cases, he said that Binance would still be in a perfect condition and still be financially secure. $4 billion might be a different story. However, I do have some faith in CZ. At the same time, we do not know what's going on behind closed doors. We do not know what's going on with Binance behind closed doors. We don't know what they're really doing. I've just seen a whole lot of FUD being thrown at Binance and nothing come out of it where we're like, oh yeah, Binance is bad, CZ is guilty, he's a bad actor. Yet Binance is being attacked way more and investigated probably more than any other exchange besides Kraken in the United States, especially when we know FTX SBF had backdoor meetings with Gary Gensler and was never investigated whatsoever. Which is really unfortunate because, again, this is an attack on crypto. This is an attack on the exchanges. And it's also some fun because they know Bitcoin price is going up and they can't stop it anymore. There's nothing they can do. So what they try to do to suppress the price and make people scared and paper hand sell their crypto is by putting out this news that there are bad actors and we're coming after this one, we're coming after that one. And also trying to catch a check with CZ's money. But that's just something else. Kraken again under attack as well as Binance. So Binance dealing with a $4 billion potential settlement. Kraken is now accused of operating an unregistered platform by the SEC and saying they improperly mixed customer funds. Again, it sounds like a lot of what FTX was doing behind the scenes during their time in operation. However, Kraken was probably the most, if not the most, on the books and transparent in working with the SEC and working with the regulators, even when we looked last year. And if you guys remember last year, we could take a look before we get into the new news. Kraken was settling with the SEC for $30 million in order to disclose or close out their case over staking operations. This was back here, if you guys look, February 10th of 2023. It was updated, but it came out February 9th. Crypto exchange Kraken will shutter its U.S. crypto staking operation and pay $30 million fine to settle an enforcement action alleging it sold unregistered securities with the SEC. This is when in February, Bitcoin price again was starting to go up. It was over 20K, kind of coming out of that bear market low. They didn't like it. They tried to suppress the price. And again, now they're coming after Kraken, saying they're improperly mixing customer funds. Taking ganders here, crypto exchange Kraken commingled customer and corporate funds while operating as an unregistered broker, clearing agency, and dealer, according to the SEC. They claimed that the San Francisco-based company violated federal securities laws in a repeat of its suits against other crypto trading platforms. Unique to Monday's lawsuits are claims that Kraken created a, quote, significant risk by commingling up to $33 billion in customer crypto with its own corporate assets. Similarly, Kraken has held at times more than $5 billion worth of its customers' cash, and it commingles some of its customers' cash with some of its own. In fact, Kraken has at times paid operational expenses directly from bank accounts that hold customer cash. This sounds a lot like FTX, where FTX, you sent money to FTX, it went straight to Alameda, and then went to all these people's pockets and buying luxury property, so on and so forth. Kraken Exchange did speak out on their main X account, as well as David Ripley, who is the CEO of Kraken. Kraken Exchange will go into what they said first. They said today the SEC filed a complaint saying that they operated an unregistered national securities exchange, broker, and clearinghouse. We disagree and plan to vigorously defend our position. Today's news has no impact on the products we offer and will continue to provide services. Since the company's inception, we worked tirelessly to ensure all individuals can safely access this evolving tech, which is designed to create a fairer, more exclusive financial system. The SEC repeatedly challenged crypto exchanges to come in and register without a single law supporting their position and no clear path to registration. Which is true! How could they say Kraken is bad? Bad on you! Yet there are no rules. They also listed multiple tokens within their lawsuit that, oh, these are securities. This include MATIC and Near Protocol, Algorand. All of which, again, was brought up in previous lawsuits as well, yet there was no ever some rules. There was not ever a wink or talk from Gary Gensler, not even a sentence as to say what a digital asset is, what classifies as a security within the digital assets ecosystem. You know why? Because nothing does. Because they try to relate crypto to tech stocks. They try to relate Bitcoin to gold, but you know what? They can't, because it all is different. It's property, it's money, it's a store of value, it's a new financial system, and they just don't know how to deal with it. They don't know how to cope. David Ripley even spoke out as well, again, the CEO of Kraken. We strongly disagree with the SEC claims, stand firm in our view that we do not list securities, and plan to vigorously defend our position. As we have seen before, the SEC argues that Kraken should, quote, come in and register with the agency when there is no clear path to registration. Its allegations are factually incorrect, contrary to law, and the wrong way to create policy in the United States. As an industry leader, we will stand up to these allegations and defend the crypto industry's right to exist in the United States. We believe congressional action is the most appropriate path to resolving the lack of regulatory clarity in the U.S. and will come to support these efforts to bring clarity and certainty to the chaotic environment that has been created in the U.S. This is absolutely chaotic. In what kinds of world can you tell somebody that they're doing something wrong but not have a reason for it? In what world can we just deal with these people saying you're bad, take away our jobs, take away our money, our businesses, our livelihoods, and not fight back and not get answers? $30 million they took from Kraken in February, why didn't they give it back? Because they didn't say why staking was bad. They didn't say what tokens clarify as a security, or they listed them, but not why. We need reasons why, and they won't prove that in court. This all needs to be put in court. What about the banks? All the illicit activity that's done with the banks. All of the banks that take your data, your information, and open credit card accounts without your permission that you don't even know about. Your money going in the bank. Your money going in the bank and them using it for what they want, but that's okay. No one ever gets caught, or they do and they just pay a little fine under the rug, yet cryptocurrency is under attack. For what? No reason. Guys, I need emojis in the chat. I need Gary Gensler emojis if you're a member, because he still thinks we're hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi
schemes.
And it's hurting everyday people. It's hurting people in the United States. It's hurting our economy. And it's hurting our image to the rest of the world, that we as a country that's supposed to be capitalist, democratic, for the people, is fighting against the people and the prosperity of every individual by blocking cryptocurrency from prospering here, when it does encapsulate everything it means to be an American. Life, liberty, property, or the pursuit of happiness, all is within cryptocurrency, where you are your own bank. There are no intermediaries. No one can take what you have from you, your value, your information, your data. This is what it means to be an American. Have your property. But yet it's being stopped. Yet it's being pushed back. For what reason? Because these people are just trying to maintain dollar dominance. It's all to defend the fiat, which they know is dying anyway. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
And what's even more upsetting is that these crypto crackdowns, they result in big exchanges like Bittrex shutting down. And yes, Bittrex Global, you heard me right, is closing its operations and will be disabled on December 4th. So again, that's why I preach being your own bank, because if you decide to buy crypto and you keep it on an exchange and you say toodaloo for a while, I'm going to take a break from crypto, you never know when an exchange could end its operations or be sued by the SEC or have to pause withdrawals and or deposits. Always keep your crypto off of the exchange. Always take self-custody for this reason alone. Crypto exchange Bittrex Global is shutting down its operations. We see just months after its U.S. arm was shut down, they are going to wind down their operations. They said trading on the platform will stop on December 4th, and the company urged customers to complete all necessary transactions by then, after which only withdrawals will be available. The exchange, which is regulated in Liechtenstein and Bermuda, did not give a reason for the decision. And you know what the reason is? It's probably because of the bankruptcy that they had in May in the U.S., and they had probably a bad taste in their mouth after that.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
It's a good try. It's a good try. You know that's cute, but it's a decent attempt. It's a decent attempt. Sheesh, man. Freaking sheesh. Now, guys, we do have 76 people watching. We do have 72 likes. I do encourage you guys to smash a like and get us to 100 likes and 100 live viewers because we could do it. We could do it. Bitcoin transaction costs are surpassing those on Ethereum amid the ordinal's resurgence. Now, we know that ETH, once people start to use Ethereum, once people jump into the NFTs, the meme coinery, that obviously ETH gas fees surge. It can literally be when even Binance was making one move, moving some funds around, ETH gas fees were ridiculous. And we'll see it during the bull market again, and pretty much we're in the bull market now, but we'll see it when volume really picks up, where it's going to be very difficult and going to be kind of a rich man's game almost to transact on Ethereum. And, you know, Bitcoin might creep up at that point if we keep having ordinals and scribing ordinals. And obviously, as more usage comes to the network, the gas fees will go up, which of course will benefit our beautiful miners in the chat. But this is something that's pretty important. We see Bitcoin's 7-day average transaction fee surpassed that of Ethereum's in the last week alone. Bitcoin's average transaction fee increased 50% about from $8 to $13 about. Conversely, Ethereum's average transaction fee was $7.55 on November 19th. Things are getting expensive, guys. Things are getting expensive, which is why I always encourage, again, looking into other cryptocurrencies that could help you escape the fee mania, which is Litecoin, because we also saw Litecoin surpass Bitcoin's daily transactions with over 1 million transactions in a single day. This was on November 14th, and this was something, again, that was insane. It started to make me think about on-chain analytics, things like that, so I decided to do a little bit of research this morning, and I started comparing pretty important cryptocurrencies together, which is Bitcoin, ETH, Dogecoin, and Litecoin in terms of transactions. Now, I'm looking at the past year. What has been used probably the most? Consistently, there has been a lot of Ethereum transactions, but when we're talking about gas fees, right? When we have the ordinal craze, when we had the meme coin phase back in May to June and April, where were people going to? What were they trying to use to escape the fees? This was Litecoin and Dogecoin. Dogecoin transactions were at all-time highs, dude, when we were looking in June, when the meme coins were insane and Ethereum was too pricey, Bitcoin was too pricey. You see right here on the 16th, on the 13th there, I think this is the 13th of June, we saw here that Dogecoin alone had 2.17 million transactions in one day. Litecoin also here, we see here on November 14th, surpassed Bitcoin transactions, surpassed Ethereum, almost surpassed Ethereum transactions. So Ethereum that day had 1.05 million transactions, and Litecoin came right behind it at 1.01 million. So people are using Litecoin. People are using Dogecoin just as much, probably even more than Bitcoin and Litecoin in some Bitcoin and Ethereum in some cases when it comes to transferring value. I see the charts are going bonanza as well, so we're going to jump into the charts. Just wanted to throw that out there, something I was looking at. Market recap. Let's look into it. We see today we are in a sea of red when it comes to the altcoins. The past hour reflecting the same. That is because Bitcoin's taking a huge dip. We're going to look into Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin today. Bitcoin is $36,407, down 2.85%. We see here that we are falling back into our range. And again, the other day we kind of bounced off the bottom of our range and came back up, worked our way back up, tapped 37.6 and came back down, kind of where we are now, which again, 36.4. Looking here on Market Cipher, it makes complete sense where we start to have a little bit of a comeback. We have that green dot, but now we have that red dot printed. Money flow is still coming in, but we have a dip in the RSI and the VWAP. Now, if the VWAP continuously makes a confident move below that zero line, we might have a little bit of a downturn, and I might get a little scared. Like I said, we bounced off this morning of 37.6. We tried to have a day, then we kind of sunk back down here, so we hopefully will test here and bounce back up to 37.6. That is the hope. But if not, then maybe if we do retrace, because again, what goes up must come down at some point. Bitcoin could maintain this price action, stay above 36K, but it could be a possibility that we do break below 36K if we break below the bottom of this range. And if we probably went down to right here, I wouldn't be surprised, because that was a critical level down here from May of 2022. But at the same time, I really want to maintain 37.6. So these are two levels I'm looking at, is probably breaking below to 35K or 37.6. I really want to have 37.6. I don't even want to talk bearish case scenario, but you guys know I'm always watching out after that. Because again, if we went back down and bounced off of 30, let's say 34K, and came back up, that would be probably an insane move and clear up a lot of stuff, clear up a lot of ugliness, and probably give it like a little bit more clarity. But that's an ideal situation. You never know. We're going to look at Ethereum today. That's $1,961. I am upset, though, that it's below $2,000 ETH. I like $2,000 ETH. $2,000 ETH makes me feel warm and fuzzy on the insides. But again, 1960 ETH down 2.98%, almost 3%. We do see that VWAP is not cute. We see the red dots printed. Money flow still coming in, but we do see that we are taking a little bit of dip in terms of the RSI as well. Looking here at Ethereum, we bounced off of $2,100, and again, we kind of hope, I don't know, it seems like that was our top for at least the first half of November. Hopefully, we could close out November at this high again that we saw here at $2,100. Again, that was revisiting our April highs as well. Something I really want to see. Because, again, once we pass through this level, then it's pretty much zest from there. However, we did break below $2,000, which, again, 1997 was a huge issue. And we did test a few days ago 1911. So if we go back down and test 1911, I wouldn't be surprised. And if we head back up after that, that would probably be ideal. And bounce off of this as support instead of resistance, which we kind of have done over the past few days. Ethereum, why? Why are you below $2,000? Sucks, man. Sucks. Litecoin, $68.86. Shout out to Litecoin, 1% in the red, though. $69. What a tip for Litecoin. What a tiffy tiff. Looking here. Oopsie. Looking here at Litecoin, we do see that VWAP is sitting below the zero line still. Wants to come above that zero line. I hope it does. I really do. It would be nice. We also want to see that spiking green money flow continuing. We also see we are in almost bearish territory for the RSI. Hopefully that bounces back up. Nice little bouncy bounce. And we come back up and have a nice curvature in terms of momentum. That would be great too, because we just see some like bearish signals, I guess. I don't know. It's not great. It's not fantastic. Although I do maybe, I don't know, maybe that was just me being ambitious. I know M2 sent me a super chat because he liked my ambition yesterday. With maybe an ambitious cup and handle here on the daily on Litecoin. I don't know if it's for real. I don't know if I'm just getting a little bit crazy or I'm just like seeing things and I want to see things, but I don't know. I don't know. It would be nice if this was a cup and a handle and it bounced back up to $74 and then smashed that and hit the 200-day SMA and it's just all happy and fun from there. That's what I want. That would be amazing. I don't know. I'm crazy. I'm Delulu. We also have 7.5 cents about Dogecoin just below that. We are down 4% for Doger. Guys, we wanted to resurge. We wanted to have 9.5 cents. Again, that's what we were looking at yesterday. However, we do see that VWAP is still below that zero line. We need that green money flow to keep coming up. We also see that we are in a slightly neutral position here for the RSI. So, and red dots printed. So I don't know, bruh. I don't know. I just hope that we have some bullish price action that comes through, but it just seems like we're getting a few bearish signals on a few of our coins that we are looking at here today. Like I said, we of course wanted to bounce off this 0.07979 cents. Head to 9.5, but it seems like we did break below this level. And again, I was worried about that because I don't want to go back to our 200-day SMA that's sitting at 0.067 cents. That is what I'm worried about, and I hope we don't, because then that means maybe we would have some red and scaries after that. A little bit of actual scream. But yeah, that's pretty much like what's going on with the market. So we need 11 more likes. We need 11 more likes. 11 more likes. Am I a profitable trader? So I'm not exactly like trading out here right now, but I do look at levels. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm not telling you guys to buy, sell, do whatever. That's not my thing. Yeah. Oh, Doctor, thank you for sticking up for me over there on TikTok. I appreciate it. That's nice. That's nice. Dave Digital, what's up, bro? Do you like the ticker? Do you like the ticker? I got it for you. Honda Man, bearish divergence on money flow for Bitcoin daily chart. Wait, what was it? The money flow? Oh, true. You know what? I got you, Dave. Hold on. Let me see if I could do it in the chat. Dave. Add. Got it. All right, Dave. Look, you have a new outfit, Dave. Dave, look, on the top of my screen. Top right, bruh. I got it for you. Jason Casper shows that we could have a black swan event by the end of this year based on monthly chart getting a bearish trigger wave. Man, that would be scary. That would be scary if we have a black swan event. But again, I would not be. Nothing surprises me in crypto. Nothing. Because again, people are getting very hyped now. People that call 10K are all of a sudden calling 40. So yeah, that's probably when Bitcoin just does a number on you and does the unexpected, which again, I'm not surprised about. So, and Bitcoin's done extremely well this year. So if it does retrace, I don't have any issues. I do not have any issues. And if it continues to go up, then good for us. You know what I mean? Thank you, Kenny L, for the rose. I appreciate it. If you guys have any requests for a chart, then I do want to make sure I want to make sure that we do that. All right. We're due to go back to sub 30K. I hope not. Memory Man, you call it a bad bleep short last night. That's very nice. Your average crypto bro. Much love to you too. Thank you. Yes, Bitcoin is dipping. Crypto Crag, Emma needs an ordinal. That's true. I have the beholder. Nice to see you. All right. So I want to take a few requests. Radiant chart. What is that? What's the ticker for that again? Can you remind me? I'll do the Radiant chart for you. Okay. Is that the crypto police? Imagine. All right. Yeah. It's R. I know it's RD something. I think it's RX. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you even wrote it in the chat, RXD. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Got it. So I'm on CoinEx. It seems like on TradingView, this is the only exchange that comes up. All right, let me see what I'm looking at here. All right. So currently what I'm looking at with Radiant, I see like there's really I'm like battling with myself here because there's really not a lot of history. Like, I don't know, according to CoinEx, we have from April of this year. The 200-day SMA just started. Like, you see this little smidge right here, and that's the 200-day SMA. Man, we're down 5.77% today. I mean, red money flow like crazily. So if you longed before that, I guess you're doing good. And then you also have a dip in the RSI. Green dot was printed, so we have been going up slightly since then. I don't know, because this is just getting out a lot of history. I probably think testing 0.0026255 again is pretty important, staying above that, because once we went above that before, we tested 0.003562222. So hopefully we can do that again. So if you break through here, that's what I'm looking at next, bullishly, and then coming over here. Otherwise, then falling below the 200-day SMA is a little bit scary.
You're welcome.
1.000000000 LTC.
Thank you for the like horns, Mr. Anonymous. What coin is that? It's a Radiant. It's Radiant. So the volume has been coming in. But again, there's just not a lot of price action. But I do see where you could see that potential upside too. But it just needs to recover. It went to all-time lows. Buyers are defending this level right here. So we're just looking for the next leg up. The next leg up. Are there other ones in the chat? Let me look. His face would say long it. See, exactly, because of course he would say delong it because he sees this. Like exactly what I said before when I was looking at it originally, Dave. Like if you longed it right here, then of course you're doing freaking great when it hit the bottom. And then of course, like when you see a sea of red, that's when Face says long because he's crazy. Face is crazy. I admire him so much, Face. I love Crypto Face. Crypto Face. Mwah. All right, hold on. Gala. And she's going too far. You know it don't matter anyway. Okay, Gala. We have 2 cent Gala, 2465. We see here that we're down 3.7%. So we did see Gala start a little bit of a zesty move. We saw basically a sea of red. This kind of looks like Radiant, Dave. This kind of looks like Radiant. Like if you longed at the bottom, because again, we hit like all-time lows right here. If you longed that, you did good. And I know some people did good with this already because I know we got some Gala fans in here. So we did pump up. Again, 200-day SMA. We have been maintaining that, closing above it for a few days, which is great. Staying above 0.023 cents is great. So I guess the next thing I want to test is 0.02751. That's where I want to go next and maintain that. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at. If we come back down, bounce off, because it seems like we're having a red day so far, bounce off, go back here. That's what I'm looking at. And if we hit the 200-day SMA, I'll be sad. But that's pretty much what I got for you. Okay. Is Yeti here? Yeti! Yo, Yeti. Shout out to Yeti. Shout out to Yeti, bro. For the beautiful merch he sent to me and the family. I appreciate it. I think he's awesome. I think it's awesome. Shout out to Yeti for the merch. Shout out to Yeti for the merch. Also, make sure to check out all the Miss Crypto merch. But yeah, shout out to Yeti. Yeti, if you want to put your link in the Discord for your merch store for people to come into the Discord and check it out, then do that, please, so people could take a look. But yeah, so thank you for Yeti sending us the beautiful merch for the family. We all loved it. Will Laurent, I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name, my friend, is in the chat. Follow Will on X. He's cool. He's a cool dude. Let me see if I could grab his item for you. Let me see if I can find it. Boo, boo, doo, doo. Or Will, can you put your handle in the chat so that way I could get it for you and post your link in there. All right, hold on. William, where are you in my feed from this morning? My gosh, Will. Oh, I got it. Okay, guys, if you don't yet, follow Will. He does spaces all the time. He does little jingles and jangles. He's cool. Freaking cool, Will. So shout out to Will. And here's his link in the live chat if you guys want to go follow him. All right, so let's look. Someone said, oh, hi, Alex. Nice to see you. Joe McWilliams want BTT. Sure, I will look at BTT for you. BTT. Let's see what's going on. What's the best? Is Bitfinex or Kraken better? I don't like the way this looks. Is it just Kraken that looks like this? I don't know. I don't know if I like what I'm looking at. What? I guess it does look like this? What kind of price action is this? My friend, the Bitfinex token. Oh my gosh. What kind of price action is this? These candles scare me. They give me like anxiety. Like I don't like I don't know why, but they don't look right to me. Like there's so many hammers and like weird like flat price action. I don't know what to tell you other than it could probably go back to all-time lows since BTT is basically finite. So I don't really know what to tell you. It could go to all-time lows, but it seems like the 200-day SMA is trying to be defended right now. But I don't really know what to tell you considering Bitfinex is kind of like... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that one. All right, so we're gonna do a little song right now. We're gonna do a little song in the interim of me doing some chart requests because I did promise a song if a $500 super chat came through. Bring those. bring those, yeah. Whichever one. I don't know which one has the less chips in it. This one has the less chips in it. All right, well, yesterday I did bake cookies. So while I sing a little mini jam for you guys, Emma joined. The deal was for Emma to join the stream. She is wearing Yeti merch and also the Stay Zesty hoodie from the merch store. If you have not yet, please mods put the merch store link in there.
It has a nice back.
Yes, and it has a nice back too. You see the logo? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. Okay, so I'm a little nervous. So grab your the chat. You can see them over there. I just moved, like it's supposed to be here, but I moved it over there. Okay.
Those smell so
They
good.
do. All right, so we're gonna sing some "Let It Be." When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me.
Why am I forced to do
Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be.
this? This is terrible.
Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be.
This is terrible.
Let it be.
This is actually terrible. Why I was forced to do this, please let me know.
Okay, so you want to be free now?
I don't know.
I'll free you.
I don't know.
Should we make it like zesty? Let it be. Pamp it up. Let it be. Pamp it up. Yeah. So you like the cookies? Oh, also, we were sipping some fresh coffee this morning. Good stuff. Good stuff. But so yeah, I did bake cookies yesterday. We got some Yeti merch yesterday. We also have been getting our lovely other merch yesterday. I should come out with a Let It Be hoodie because like that will be a memory. That will be a memory for the show. Let me see which we'll call it. I should make a Let It Be sound. Thank you guys for all the love in the chat. I'm like looking, that was so bad. Where the stitches at? What do you mean stitches for?
Other Emma.
Oh, others. Oh, is other Emma in the chat? Is Emma Foster here? Oh, they thought it was you. Oh, okay. Ricardo, nice to see you. Crypto Cajun. Can I put a link to my chart in there? It's Ethereum Classic. Do you mind putting it in the Discord because we actually have a trading channel on there. So you guys could take a look at the Discord and pop your stuff in there because I definitely want to see your charts for sure. I don't think you could post it in the chat right now because it doesn't let you. Avo, voice of an angel, somewhere between Fergie and Jesus. Dude, no. No.
It was terrible. Please never ask her to sing again, please. I cannot take this any longer.
All right. So let me see some more, I was going to say some cookie requests. Give me some chart requests, guys. And if you actually have a cookie request, I would like to see what cookies you guys like. Thank you, Kenny L, for the roses.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Musical notes, musical notes, musical notes, let it be, musical notes, musical
Let it
notes,
be, let
musical
it be.
notes, heart, heart,
Let it be.
heart.
Let it be. All right, let's see. Do I have any requests in here? Pet Savage. Wait, singing a Beatles song? You are. I love the Beatles. You know what? Part of me wanted to do help. Help, I need somebody. Help, not just anybody. Help, you know I need someone. I love that one. Let's do Algo. Sure, Zin Kang. Kang for a Kang. Let's. All right, so Algo. I hear someone making fun of my singing in the other room. The things I do for the show, bro. The things I do for the show.
You're welcome.
Voice of an angel, my heart is warm. You're the best.
Got you, Mr. Annan. If you guys have a better exchange than that you think would have more history, I have currently Coinbase for the algo chart. So we're going to take a look at that really quick. We also see that algo has had a lot of trouble, man. A lot of trouble, poor Algorand. So we're going to take a look. We're going to talk about it. Obviously, we have these levels that we've seen are a little bit difficult. So, okay. Algorand is currently 13 cents today. Looking out, we were currently looking at these levels back here. Oh gosh, were those the days? Were those the days? I'll actually extend these lines because we do see some price action that we've been dealing with that dates back here to 2019. And again, if there's another exchange that you think has better quality information, then let me know.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo miss. Dollar Jesus coin is rising today. Even through the DOGE FUD. It's the season after all. God bless. Praying gesture, heart, sparkles.
Okay, yeah. So I'll check that chart for you. No problem. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate your love. Yes, spread the love this time of year. All right, so 13 cent algo rand down 7.5% today. So we see altcoins are taking a big hit today. Obviously, that VWAP is down. Not cute. We also see that we have this sideways money flow. Red and green dot printed here on Market Cipher most recently. The red dot looks like a freaking Christmas tree. We also see here that we have a dip in the RSI. Hopefully that happens or goes up again soon to reflect some nice price action. We do see here that I had a little drawing. So if you guys want to take a look at my drawing that I had dating back to May, we were looking at this chart. That's hilarious. Just a slip and slide. Like you're going to Six Flags water park type stuff. It was just like, like no. Oh, oopsie. Wrong button. We were on a downward slope. We were like in our little lazy river right here. This is my little lazy river in case you guys could not tell what that is. We did bounce off our, what it seems to be here, all-time lows over here at 8 cents. Again, I don't know if this is like, I don't think this chart has all the information. However, we did pump up with Algorand. We did stay above our 200-day SMA, closing above it for a few days, which is great. So we did also test our 15-cent resistance almost. Ooh, just ever so slightly tapped that the other day, yesterday. So hopefully we do test that again, and maybe yesterday's candles is indicative of where we're going today. However, if Bitcoin continues to dip, then you might see the altcoins take more of a hit as well, and hopefully we don't test this 200-day SMA again, but if we do, then that's a little bit something that I would be wondering what would happen next. Otherwise, again, I do want to see above 15 cents and try to get up to these levels once again over here at 19 cents, 20 cents about. Dave Digital with that Algorand hate in the chat. He said it's trash. Should I flush it? Sorry. Put the chart. You put the chart link in Discord. Okay, let me check that out. Okay. There will be an answer. Let it be. All right, so this is for Bitcoin. All right, I got you. Okay. So I see what you're doing. All right. So you're pretty much, whoa. So this, oh yeah, okay. So this was November through January coming back up. So you still have that we're on an uptrend, which is great. I do see the divergence too. Very interesting. Maybe I should add. Oh, okay. I got you, bro. It looks very clean though. It looks very clean. Listen, if we keep, do you think we're gonna hit the top of this trend line too at 48K? And then what happens, or 45K about 48, 49K, and then what happens next? I'm very interested. All right. Click the like for MTCTA. Oh, you want to look at Elrond? I got you. No problem. I will do that. All right. So E-Gold. All right. So $42.21, down 5% today. E-Gold, Multiverse X. So many names you guys had. But we do see that insurgence of volume that was coming in on November 5th. Money flow is a little bit stagnant. VWAP a little bit down. Momentum sliding too after this red dot was printed. Neutral RSI. Not neutral, really. It's still technically bullish. Technically, we're just battling here with $44. So I'm interested to see what happens next, because I remember when we had a nice Moonith time with, yeah, this was crazy in 2021. I remember this happening. $490. What? That is just so incredible. That is literally so incredible. I mean, listen, hopefully it could bounce back really nice. I know that they have like a lot of partnerships. I know that they've been working really hard. And again, I say it all the time, their portal app, I think it's called X Portal, if I'm correct. Good stuff, man. Really good stuff. So I'm hoping to see some more price action here. I know it's a little bit choppy, but staying right here is pretty critical. Let's hopefully stay above 43, 44 bucks and go tap $53. It would be great. It would be great. Because we did test and rejected that other time. So yeah, that's my target, staying above here and hopefully not going back down to testing 35 about. Hello Jello, can you check Pendle's altcoin? Pendle, I don't know if I've heard of that one. Oh, also I did get a super chat before for Jesus Coin. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I almost forgot about that. Okay, I got it. It's on Polonia. Oh, Poloniex, a little bit controversial Poloniex. All right, Jesus. All right, well, my friend, we do not have a lot of history here. We do not have history. We have June 2023. Let me see here. Wow. Yeah, like it's difficult when you guys ask me to do these coins sometimes because like they don't have a lot of history, and I think like you guys need history in order to like want to make moves. So pretty much this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. So we're at a bunch of zeros, 8,400 at the end. So you guys could, of course, keep track of all that zeros. 5% in the green today. We do see here that, again, if you saw that red money flow and you longed, you did pretty good. But we do see that that red dot was printed. VWAP was below the zero line. And we are in bearish territory for the RSI. Listen, again, like I said, if you did long during all this red money flow and it came into the green, of course you did good. However, we are looking to test, again, 9934. Because once we tested and rejected that, it was a little bit of a slip, especially over back here in June. So staying above that, I think, is critical too. And then maybe going and having some price discovery. But it's just a little bit odd, again, because I don't have that price history. So the only levels I could really look at is 9959 or back down here at 4860. Hope that helps. I just really just don't have much because, again, it's too new. It's too new. If you guys also have more chart requests, let me know. I think I definitely missed some. Crypto Chris, nice to see you, man. Yeah, Yeti has arrived. Love Yeti. Shout out to Yeti, man. Vet Savage, remember the 5th of November. Do you remember? Joe Williams, nice to see you. Can you, yeah, I did some Elrond. I think I got everything. I don't know. In trouble for what? It's decentralized DAO. Who got in trouble? Was it Gala that I was talking about? I mean, the Gala founders were like suing each other, but I don't know if that's what you were referring to. Casper? Sure. Let's do that. Casper, and you're going to... What's the best exchange for me to look at this? Is it maybe Qcoin? Maybe Qcoin. I like Qcoin. Qcoin. Because she's a cute coin. Can a coin be cute in crypto? I think coins can be cute. Like, I like Doge. I think Doge is cute. Like, it's a cute coin, little doggy. All right, cool. So we see here that we have some Casper. 3 cents today. Oh, 3369. Down 3.74%. See here that we do have some red money flow. went into the green ever so slightly, came back down. See, there's a little curvature. Hopefully she comes back over that zero line. VWAP is popping. We also see that there was a green dot printing here on market Cipher, so that could mean the momentum going over. We were oversold here with the RSI coming back up as well, which looks good. We see here that we did basically bottom out here in December, bounced back up, had a nice little high here of about 6.25 cents. Came back down, retraced heavily, bounced off 0.029 cents. Looking to come back to 0.037. That's what we're looking to do, and then touch that 200-day SMA. That's probably all I can tell you, because again, this is not relatively new. It's a year old, but not that much history besides testing this level again, which did bring us to higher prices, obviously. All right, guys. Can we smash these likes? Can we continue smashing these likes? Pigeon is cute. I don't know. Pigeons aren't cute. Like, I don't know about the coin, but pigeons are not cute. They scare me. They're dirty, and it looks like they want to attack me. And you know what? They're not scared of people anymore. You walk by a pigeon, it looks at you like, why are you in my way, bro? Get out of here. This is my street. Oh, sheesh. Oh, okay. There we go. X coin. There is no real X coin, so I don't know if I could put that up on the screen. Doge I went over earlier on the show. I think I really got most of it. Oh, she's in her TA bag, Ice God said. Yes, I am my TA bag. Dream, nice to see you. Boz, bro, you have so many fake accounts. Oh, yes, I would really like to talk about that for a minute. This imposter issue is a huge issue. It is not cool. It is not fair. And obviously, I have zero control over it. So I do have people that are DMing me on every single platform, whether that's Discord, Telegram, Instagram, X, TikTok, Facebook, places I'm not even on. There are fake Randi Hippers. There are fake missteencryptos. I am begging you from the heart, please, if you ever have any questions about if my accounts are real, one, I will never DM you asking for money. I will never tell you I have some weird trading platform and you have to sign up with my link in DM. Garbage. Also, there has been rumors about me having an app on the App Store. Somebody got confused in my chat the other day. I have no app in the App Store, at least as of right now. In the future, that may change. As of right now, no missteencrypto app. If you want to authenticate anything, most social media platforms, I do have a check mark. I also have my website, missteencrypto.com. Check it out. If you go on missteencrypto.com, you scroll down, you see a whole thing, follow missteencrypto, all these logos. You click on them, it goes to my account. Just so you guys can see. Please do not answer any DMs. I will not answer you. I will not DM you first unless we talked about it in a public chat or I told you on here that I will DM you. Otherwise, I did not. And also, please look at the spelling. We also have an issue right now on X where if you go to report my imposters, it does not come up when you say, who is this person impersonating? If that changes, please let me know. Always try to report my imposters, but let me know if my handle comes up. I have tried to talk to Twitter and a bunch of other platforms about it. I've yet to get anywhere, but we will see what happens. I will not DM you first. I believe I have some sort of shadow ban or whatever on me right now, but I will not take money from you. Never, ever ask you about your trading. How's your trading going? It's none of my freaking business. Don't even answer it. Block them. Please report them always. And thank you. I get really tight about that because it's just really freaking and should not happen. These people are taking money and I literally hate it. I literally hate it. If you guys haven't yet, though, check out the merch store. Merch store is full of lovely things like blankets and mugs and hoodies and sweaters and T-shirts and dirty fiats. All of that. All of that is on the website. So make sure you guys check that out. Crypto Cajun loves the dress. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, guys, craziness. Sorry I went on a little rant. I got upset about the imposters. If the avatar is MTC with glasses and a mustache, it's an imposter. Yeah, Julio, I'd say that. I'd say that. Does Emma have an imposter one that eats less? That's always something we can hope for. Guys, yes, 3 creepy imposter MTCs a week on X. It's too much. It's too much. It's absolutely insane. Tractor Man, thank you for joining the show. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, we need 8 more likes for 125 likes. Can we get there? Is that possible? Is that something that we can complete in our most zesty way possible? Is it happening? Hi, Michael Kent. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. I think I got everyone. I think I said hello to everyone. If I didn't say hello to you, make sure you guys say hello to me. Spam those Gary emojis because he's crazy. Digi said, that reminds me, my Bitcoin shirt should be here soon. That's beautiful. I love that. Which one did you get? Is it the hashtag Bitcoin one that you got? I think you told me. Which one you got. But I'm very excited for you to get it. Irate Fall got some of your likenesses, LOL. Yeah, it freaking sucks. Alina, nice to see you over there on the kick.coms. Rich from 60s, thank you for the roses. I appreciate. Steve Dottie said that Bitcoin dip just got gobbled up. Not surprised at all. Listen, I'm not surprised at all either. Listen, Bitcoin does what it wants when it wants. Can it retrace? Absolutely. Can it pump back up? Absolutely. The BNB chart, too, is pretty important because it started to rally after the whole Binance situation. So Binance, again, we were going over it earlier, how Binance had to pay the government, or is going to pay the U.S. government, $4 billion to settle its case. It's actually so uncalled for, too, because, like, Binance has yet to prove, or they have yet to prove that Binance has done anything wrong yet. It's just been a whirlwind of just absolute craziness and animosity. So diving into Binance, $267.20 BNB. We are up 5.4%. So let's take a gander here. We see here that we did bounce off these lows for the year pretty much. Actually, yeah, for the year, which is $206. We did see those levels back here in June. We saw it back here in February 2021. I know somebody, a trader that was heavily betting against BNB and has yet to go to the levels that both of us were actually looking at if it did go that low, which is probably like $120. So, like, if technically speaking, if it really got destroyed BNB and crashed the altcoin market. However, it did not. Buyers defended 205. We went over the 200-day SMA, was heavily defended there. And we see between yesterday and today that we have had a nice pump, and we did test $269, which is the resistance here. We want to turn that into support because once it is turned into support, we do see a little bit of price action from there that could lead us to over $300 BNB. And that would be quite fine and dandy if we continue to go on a bullish path here and the whole case concludes with the DOGE and Binance. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at there. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. I love looking at charts.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
You're successful. Of course they want to attempt to imitate you.
I don't know. It's just, I think the imposters, they want to like, and you know how they DM people? They DM them, they're like, hi friends, thank you so much for supporting me, heart emoji. Did you want to see my new platform? And like, they try to like talk like me and it's terrible. It's robotic. It's not cool. I don't like it. However, guys, beautiful day today. Alexandra G said, go subscribe to my Twitter. Absolutely subscribe on there. I do post exclusive things for the X communities. And please make sure with this imposter stuff, you're checking out the handles. You're checking if I have those check marks, which I do have on X and Instagram, TikTok, TBD. It's just very, very sad. BNB over 200-day SMA. Yep. Steve Dottie. Yep. Always. Yep. Bullish stuff. So hopefully it stays there and hopefully it stays bullish and just good things happening there. Just tried to transfer some Bitcoin and it was a 15% gas fee. Never mind, Brandon said. Yeah, that's what we have this problem with. And that's why Litecoin, that's why Digibyte, that's why Dogecoin even, to escape the fees. At missteencrypto job for the new Yeti AI platform, imposter checking. Yeah, actually, shout out to Dez. I don't know if Dez is in the chat or Ben in the chat, but shout out to them because they freaking watch out for these imposters. This guy, Ben, he watches out for all of the imposters, so shout out to him. Also, shout out to Dez as well. Dez is always in the chat. Shout out to Dez. Shout out to Ben for looking out with these imposters and letting me know and keeping me updated with a lot of, like, the sheesh that goes on concerning that. So I appreciate that from them. Oh, the community, man. It's horrible. Imposters are horrible. I hate them so much. Guys, I appreciate you to the highest degree. I'm telling you. You guys are probably the only people that will sit around and let me sing for you. My sister was tortured. I thought it was funny. And listen, I won't sing a full song again. I won't. For the sake of the viewership, for the sake of the channel, and for the sake of the prosperity of this channel, I will withhold my vocals. But I really, of course, thank every single one of you. The potatoes that fly around my room
before you came. Excuse.
Give all the love. Be nice to people today. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on with Bitcoin and crypto. It is 11 a.m. now. I will be on with Crypto Savings Expert. If you guys don't know them, let me actually pull up their X account so you guys can follow me there after this. Hold on. Follow me over here. Crypto Savings Expert. I'm going to be live with Jess. She's another girl in crypto, and it's kind of refreshing to have that happen. So if you guys want to tune in, this will happen in an hour, and you guys will get the link here. I'll put it in the chat for you guys. And there we go. We're going to be talking, I think we're going to be talking crypto news, life. Honestly, I'm not completely sure right now. I'm supposed to get some information soon. It's going to be great, though. I cannot wait to talk with Jess. She's really cool. She does her daily streams as well. I think she does it morning UK time. Not sure what the time conversion there is, but beautiful stuff. So check out Jess. She's really cool. She's really sweet, and hopefully you guys like her, too. So check us out in an hour over there on Crypto Savings Expert YouTube channel. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. It's going to be a great morning. It's going to be a great day. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be nice to people. Be happy. Be healthy. Spread love. And most of all, stay zesty. Peace.